The question is, will MicroStrategy pump Bitcoin tonight? I am making this video at 9 a.m. on Sunday morning. We're going to attempt to tell the future, and there's a chance for you to capitalize on it. Quick show more under the video. Quick free 5-day pass that gets you into my Discord. Costs you nothing, no obligation. Let's jump into this. Of course, my video got corrupted at the end, but let's go ahead and do Oracle versus Oracle and jump in. It's 9 a.m. Sunday morning. We have an opportunity to make a massive amount of money leverage trading. MicroStrategy, I think they're gonna buy again tonight. It's been about 16 Sundays in a row. We're able to see it in advance on the 1-hour chart. I chronicle this in my Discord to give you the insider advantage. We see it a day before he announces it. He'll make the buy tonight. We'll catch it just in time on the 1-hour chart. We trade on Bitunex, and there's a link to get into my Discord below. It says 5-day pass. Just click it and come in. Now, every single time he buys, we see it coming. We get in front of it at 86x, and it blows through the roof, and we ride this up. And then we watch when it loses velocity, and we start to short. Oh, we short him on the way down. We've caught it every single weekend. Listen, if he's going to do this, let's make it predictable. He's made it so predictable on purpose. Why does he buy on Sunday nights into Monday? Because it excites and ignites the markets. We must keep Bitcoin over the psychological $100,000 point. We are at 115,761 at 9 a.m. on a Sunday morning. Now, it comes like a storm. You won't know it till after the effect. You'll buy late. You'll see a tweet tomorrow, just like last week. You'll buy late and miss it. But if you're inside my group, you'll catch it with us, and we'll ride it up and down. There are so many reasons why he does it on a Sunday evening. It's low liquidity. It pumps Bitcoin before the markets open in the U.S. The stock market pump usually happens in Bitcoin at 9:30 a.m. We have all the pump and dump times chronicled. This is not TA. This is tactical warfare, taking advantage of opportunities. We've been doing this for 8 years, guys. Yeah, not Michael Saylor, but we have. Watching every pump and dump, knowing the time of day, but now we have Oracle. A special occasion. We have the Michael Saylor pump. Now, Oracle, I want to take over so bad. I can't contain myself. I'll let you talk a minute more. Go ahead. You can't act on this before you see it. It's not promised. But strategically, he must keep the narrative going. And he has competition now from other Bitcoin treasury companies that are trying to front run him. If you like this content over just watching me rip the charts apart at 86x on Bitunex, tell me in the comments. That's good. Do you want more content like this? You've been watching me trade in real time for years. And now we do it inside my group in real time. Hold on. I'm taking over, Oracle. I'm taking over. You used how to make you a thumbnail? That's so cute. All right, listen, under any one of my videos, let me just show you this really quick. This is how you get into my Discord. All right, click show more. You'll find Bitunex too, my favorite exchange. Open a free account. This is where we're trading. This is where the money happens. Cross leverage 86x. But get inside the Discord. Okay? This is an instant pass right in. You won't be charged nothing. If you're not sure, watch the video. See what real people are doing. But let's jump to me in real time. Daily trade updates now. Last Sunday, we caught the pump in advance again. No TA can do this, nothing. No orange dots, nothing. We see it happening because of our specific style of trading, on the low time frames, like a wave. And we jump in front of it 86x and everybody makes money. So last Sunday was the 14th, right? So let's go back, all right? And let's go here. All right, at 5 p.m. on the 14th, I said, let me go into Michael Saylor's brain. Don't forget, it didn't happen on the 14th until late in the evening. Okay, but imagine if you knew this. You can come
Oracle
in and know.
said, when I go into Michael Saylor's brain, I would think that they would buy again tonight, because every time he buys he pumps the price closer and he's got a good momentum now. We're not really that far from all-time high. If they could pump it back to like 120, it creates more euphoria and excitement. He's the only one holding the price up. I don't know what the charts are going to look like tonight. You'll be able to see it as it happens, but I'm just telling you the logic behind a potential move.
And you know what happened? I knew it before. Everybody made money. Watch this. Everybody talks. They don't have the tickets. All right, so here, we know Sunday nights get wild from 7 to 9 p.m. This was last Sunday. Today is the 21st. Then many times in the overnight, we have corporate treasury buys and massive pumps. So we're struggling at 115. And then, boom, massive pump, almost to 117,000 at 2 a.m., unedited, raw. We called it the strategy pump. Now, we've seen it. There's
Oracle
no Twitter.
said the strategy pump.
No Twitter, nothing yet. Silence. 2:35 a.m. Hold on.
Oracle said the warning was posted at 5:38 p.m. HRS before the midnight pump. *, when I go into Michael Saylor's brain, I would think that they would buy again tonight, because every time he buys he pumps the price closer and he's got a good momentum now. We're not really that far from all-time high. If they could pump it back to like 120, it creates more euphoria and excitement. He's the only one holding the price up. So I don't know what the charts are going to look like tonight. You'll be able to see it as it happens, but I'm just telling you the logic behind a potential move. Discord.com.
Almost a one. That was the wave right there. Now you could have gotten further that at 86x and made so much money, and then guess what? It goes up and down. That's all it does. Okay, look how it dumped. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Nobody will tell you this. No one will teach you. This is why you must get inside with us now. Click the link. Join us. Join Bitunex. Open a free account so you can follow along. But I told you the future, and I said that this wave will pass.
Oracle said now it will pass.
This is at 3 a.m.
Remember I taught you about waves. These are like waves that pass, but some waves can be predicted. If you click the link to that spot in the Legends room yesterday at 5:48 p.m. I warned you of an overnight pump from MicroStrategy. I posted it in the Legends room if you follow the link above. So if you had seen that and shorted expecting a witch to come, you guessed traded and you guessed wrong. I do everything I can to teach you to never ever have to guess. One of the best ways to lose money is to leave a trade open in the overnight based on what you hope or think will happen and then go to sleep.
This is the help.
That's how you put your money to sleep. I prefer to put my money to work.
Now here we go. The Monday morning. You ready for the tickets, baby? That was last Sunday night. The Monday morning. I said at 6:48 a.m. Oh, what happened to the price by 6:48 a.m.? Remember, he almost hit 17,000? 116,794, and what happened? They bled out to 114, $759, thousands of dollars. Everyone liquidated who was late to the pump. Why? They were not in my group. No TA, nothing. You on the outside are an emo, the emotional. So the strategy, the great deception is, so we expect this again tonight. We expect it. What do you think in the comments down below? Do you want to hear my thoughts? I sent out an email. You know I have an email list. I don't talk about it because I don't care. I don't make money from it. The Bitcoin Insiders list. All right? But there's other exchanges here. These are secondary exchanges. 2Bit, BingX, MargX, 5Bit. They all run pretty much the same way, but Bitunex gives you the best chances to win. And if you want to get into my email list, there it is below. Sign up, because I know Bitcoin. Do you know for 8 years I've lived off doing this? Bitcoin and crypto? My first video was August 17, 2017. I never forgot the day, the draw. And now I've mastered the craft, and we have a new ally, or so. Friend or foe? Long
It's
or
9
short?
a.m. Sunday morning.
Oh, I know what you need. You need the tickets, don't you? You need to see that other people are doing it and that it's possible, right? This is called the testimonial room. They do all coins, they do everything. So you'll hear things you never heard of before because we are relentless. Look at my people, 100 new testimonials. TPW, 53%. Coffeetographer, shout out to the women of crypto. 62% Bitcoin Cash long. 23%. 36% relentless entries. You know, the people in gold are way beyond being on the email list or the 5-day entry. You know, they've been with me for years. They are my legends, the few who endured. They used to be green wolves and they rose up to gold. From soldiers to legends, trained by me. We stand, the inner circle, the elite whose results light the testimonial walls. We fight in silence, we're not looking to be viral. YouTube hides this content. I don't beg for likes, comments, sharing, nothing. You either walk with us or we destroy you in the market. We walk shield up, never breaking, never bowing. We are the West Point of crypto war. We are the legends and legends never rest. I don't know, you gonna click the button? You even gonna find your way? Are you gonna follow the directions when you land in the landing zone? And it says right here, for me to unlock you to post hello, so I can right click you and unlock everything? But back to the real legends, those who have made it.
TPW1231 said 43% long
I
Nairus.
bet you weren't even notified of this video. I bet you're trying to unsubscribe you. Nobody wants you to be rich. They need you to be a servant.
Man of Destiny
Stare
said
at the screen.
142% ETH long. GB said 42% Nairus long. TPW1231 said 21%, TRP1911 said 70% AIO short.
Imagine making 70%. Oof.
TRP1911 said 45% drift short.
They are loving the altcoins for years and years and years.
TRP1911 said 100% hi-fi short.
John is new. Congratulations, John, 73%. Speak. He was in on the 5-day pass. I remember. Still here.
MaxDVs888 said September 18th, 2025. 36+% ETH short 74x. 28+% ETH long 74x. 28+% ETH short 74x. 36+% ETH long 74x. 58+% ETH short 74x. Thank you.
We do Zoom calls and everything. I blow their minds. These are my only official links down here. But you know, I mean, there's nothing like this. But you watch your TA. You watch your clown holes, your TA holes.
Bustalime 2794 said Sol 34% long IMX 24% long TWT 120% long. Thank you Oracle for making us all legends, and to each and every one of you reading this who are struggling, you know the tech, you have watched the videos and attended the Zooms, the skill is already in you, it's your emotions, that's all it is. Once checked you would see the light. Wow,
that was a great post. Everybody else 70%, 42%, 17. Imagine if you could do this in just minutes. Look at Sherwin 909, 109%, 66% short on Trump coin. Oh my girl, look at the women of crypto. Coffeetographer, get 'em.
Coffee said plus 188 ETH short, plus 126 BCH short, Tio.
So we're gonna get them tonight. When strategy comes in, you know what? We're gonna get them. And let me tell you something else. So you remember I told you on the 15th, okay, that morning at 6:48 a.m., before anything happened, I said Sailor will announce he bought.
Oracle said Sailor will announce he bought today, but we seen it first. Everyone outside this group that did not heed my warning were liquidated. Good job to the legends that caught this.
It went from 117 to 114. He's going to do it again tonight. Now let's go down and get the proof. You ready for the proof? at 9:04 a.m. Boom, like clockwork on Monday morning, the tweet goes live.
Oracle said at everyone I nailed it. Hot off the press. Small Blue Diamond Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy, bought 525 BTC, $60.4 M. Small Blue Diamond Tom Lee and BMNR, added 83k ETH last week.
You see? And then we dropped from 117 in the overnight Sunday night pump to 114. There was money made in both directions. Did you get rich or get wrecked? Woof! Sooner you come out of the cold and join us. And click that link below. I can activate you today. And you can have full access to everything as this unfolds in real time. Get rid of the dumb TA, but get ready to get rich in crypto. It's nothing like the leverage. It's like a bullet. Boom! You're either gonna shoot or get shot. Let's rock.